Okay, this is the 52-inch Hampton Bay Carousel 1. My dad dropped me off, and it is, and this is, I don't know what year is it from. Probably 2001 to 2000, I don't know. And in the Hampton Bay Carousel, and there's a Hampton Bay logo on it, and they're all the colors. There's red, orange, yellow, green, blue. One is nothing. That's all. They're all just colors. And the fan was. Yeah, I need to get this thing out because I don't need a remote control. And we have the mounting bracket right here. And there's a light. And there's fan. Where's another portrait at? Yeah. Can I find the date? I'll look for it. Gosh, I have no idea. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.